Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a humble farmer named Jack. One day, while tending to his farm, he stumbled upon a mysterious golden egg nestled in the straw of his henhouse. Bewildered by this extraordinary discovery, Jack realized that his favorite goose had laid the magical golden egg. Each day, the goose continued to lay a single golden egg, bringing unexpected wealth to Jack and transforming his modest life. News of the golden goose spread across the village, capturing the attention of the greedy and envious. One day, a cunning neighbor named Mr. Grimes couldn't resist the allure of Jack's golden goose. Consumed by greed, he approached Jack with an offer to buy the miraculous bird. Jack, wise but kind-hearted, refused to sell, but agreed to share the golden eggs. However, Mr. Grimes, driven by impatience and avarice, couldn't wait for the daily egg. He decided to take matters into his own hands, attempting to cut open the goose, hoping to find all the golden eggs inside at once. To his dismay, the goose remained just a goose, and the magical golden eggs vanished. In his foolishness, Mr. Grimes not only lost the golden eggs, but also the trust and friendship of the village. Jack, on the other hand, learned a valuable lesson about contentment and the consequences of letting greed guide one's actions. The tale of the golden goose became a timeless fable in the village, reminding everyone that true wealth lies not just in gold, but in appreciating the blessings life bestows upon us. As the seasons passed, Jack's reputation as the keeper of the golden goose flourished. People from neighboring villages traveled far and wide to witness the marvel and hear the tale of the magical bird. Jack, however, remained humble and continued to share the golden eggs with those in need. One day, an old beggar woman approached Jack, seeking shelter and a morsel of food. Despite his newfound prosperity, Jack remembered the days when he had little himself. He welcomed the woman and shared both his home and the golden eggs with her. To Jack's surprise, the beggar woman revealed herself to be a wise enchantress. Touched by Jack's kindness, she bestowed an additional blessing upon the golden goose. From that moment on, not only did the goose lay golden eggs, but its feathers also possessed healing properties. The village flourished as word of the miraculous healing feathers spread. People came seeking cures for ailments and injuries, and Jack, guided by the enchantress's wisdom, used the newfound gift to bring comfort and relief to those in pain. The golden goose became a symbol of not just wealth, but also of compassion and generosity. Jack's farm transformed into a haven of hope and healing, teaching the villagers that true prosperity is found in the kindness we extend to others. And so the story of the golden goose became a legend, echoing through generations as a reminder that the greatest treasures are often discovered in acts of selflessness and compassion. As Jack's farm gained renown, it attracted the attention of the kingdom's ruler, a wise and just king named Ferdinand. Intrigued by the tales of the golden goose and its healing feathers, King Ferdinand visited Jack's village. Witnessing the positive impact of the golden goose on the community, King Ferdinand proposed a partnership. He suggested using the resources of the kingdom to expand Jack's farm and share the miraculous gifts with the entire realm. Jack, guided by his principles of generosity, agreed to the collaboration. The kingdom flourished under the influence of the golden goose. The healing feathers brought comfort to the sick and injured, and the golden eggs funded projects to improve the lives of the kingdom's citizens. Jack, now an advisor to the king, used his wisdom to ensure that the newfound wealth was distributed equitably. The golden goose became a symbol of unity and prosperity throughout the kingdom. Villages joined together in harmony, and the once divided lands found common ground in the shared blessings of the magical bird. Schools, hospitals, and shelters were built, transforming the kingdom into a beacon of compassion and progress. And so, the golden goose not only enriched the lives of those in Jack's village, but became a catalyst for positive change throughout the entire realm. The story of Jack and the golden goose became a cherished legend, inspiring generations to come to embrace the values of kindness, generosity, and the transformative power of compassion. As the years passed, the legend of Jack and the golden goose transcended the borders of the kingdom, reaching distant lands and inspiring leaders far and wide. Envoys and ambassadors from neighboring realms visited to witness the extraordinary prosperity that stemmed from compassion and cooperation. Recognizing the potential for the golden goose to be a force for good beyond their own borders, King Ferdinand and Jack decided to establish an international council. Representatives from various kingdoms gathered to share knowledge, resources, and the wisdom they had gained from their experiences. The Council of the Golden Feather, as it came to be known, became a beacon of collaboration and unity among nations. Through shared initiatives, the magical properties of the golden goose were harnessed to address global challenges. Healing feathers were used not only for physical ailments, but also to mend diplomatic rifts and promote understanding among diverse cultures. The golden eggs funded projects that transcended mere material wealth. Educational programs, cultural exchanges, and initiatives for environmental sustainability flourished under the guidance of the Council. The once isolated kingdoms now worked hand in hand, realizing that true prosperity came not from rivalry, but from cooperation. Jack, now a revered figure known as the Ambassador of Compassion, traveled the world, spreading the teachings of the golden goose. His story became a parable for leaders and citizens alike, emphasizing the transformative power of empathy and collaboration in building a better world. And so the tale of the golden goose evolved into a global legacy, reminding people everywhere that the magic of compassion has the potential to heal not only individual lives, but entire nations and beyond. As the influence of the Council of the Golden Feather grew, a grand celebration was organized, an annual event where representatives from all corners of the world gathered to honor the spirit of unity and compassion. The Golden Jubilee, as it was named, became a symbol of the ongoing commitment to collective well-being. During one such celebration, a young and curious girl named Arya from a distant land heard the story of Jack and the golden goose. Intrigued, she embarked on a journey to visit the council, hoping to learn from the shared wisdom and contribute to the global efforts for a better world. Arya's arrival brought a fresh perspective, and she proposed harnessing the magic of the golden goose for even greater purposes. Inspired by the tales of healing feathers, she envisioned using the enchanting properties to promote emotional well-being and foster empathy among people. Her proposal resonated deeply with the council, and together they launched the Feathers of Harmony initiative. Healing feathers were distributed not only for physical ailments, but also to mend emotional wounds, promote understanding in conflicts, and bring solace to troubled hearts. The Feathers of Harmony initiative became a cornerstone of the Council of the Golden Feathers efforts. Emotional healing and cultural understanding flourished, and the world experienced an unprecedented era of unity and cooperation. Arya, now a respected ambassador herself, continued to travel, sharing the story of Jack, the golden goose, and the transformative power of compassion. The legend, now intertwined with Arya's journey, continued to evolve, reminding generations that every individual, regardless of age or background, has the potential to contribute to a more compassionate world. And so the legacy of the golden goose lived on, not only as a tale of the past, but as an ongoing narrative shaping the present and future of a harmonious and interconnected world. As the world embraced the values of compassion and collaboration, advancements in technology were coupled with a deep sense of responsibility. The Council of the Golden Feather, now supported by innovative minds from various fields, harnessed the power of knowledge and innovation to address global challenges. A new era emerged where the golden eggs funded research and initiatives focused on sustainable practices, renewable energy, and solutions for environmental preservation. The once magical goose, through its ongoing contributions, became a symbol of ecological balance and responsible stewardship of the planet. A global network of scholars, scientists, and inventors collaborated under the banner of the Golden Innovations Project. Breakthroughs in clean energy, eco-friendly technologies, and conservation strategies reshaped the world, proving that progress could be harmonious with nature. Arya, now a key figure in the realm of technological diplomacy, encouraged the integration of empathy-driven technologies. Virtual reality experiences allowed people to step into each other's shoes, fostering empathy and understanding across borders. Communication platforms were designed not just for efficiency, but with a focus on promoting positive dialogue and global unity. And so, as the sun set on another golden jubilee, the world stood united, guided by the lessons of Jack Aria and the enduring magic of the golden goose, a symbol not just of wealth, but of the boundless potential when compassion and innovation join hands for the well-being of all.